The bill, if passed into law, will introduce stringent guidelines for organizing an assembly, procession or demonstrations. Presenting their views to the Legal Committee of Parliament, currently scrutinizing the proposed bill, the Uganda Human Rights Commission says the bill is inconsistent with some of the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution.
The bill should aim at facilitating rather than prohibiting demonstrations in conformity with the law. The bill should be precise and balance the right to assembly with other rights and should only impose restrictions that are acceptable and justifiable in a free and a democratic society.
The human rights body wants Parliament to take note and act on the human rights concerns raised, which include the use of firearms where lethal force may not be justifiable, a requirement for organizations to seek permission from police before holding a public meeting, and the bill gives the police broad discretion to refuse permission for a public meeting if they have reasonable cause, among others.
The use of force should be based on the principles of proportionality, legality, and necessity in order to achieve a legitimate objective. Lethal force should be used where there is an imminent threat to life or serious injury.
However, the Commission also cautioned the public against demonstrations that turn riotous and end up destroying property and disturbing the peace of others.
There are people who are seated in their shops. They have come to earn a living. You are forcing them out of the shops. You are looting their property. You are banning a government car. This government car is yours because you pay the tax to buy it. If you want to have harmony and to peacefully demonstrate, comply with the regulations.
Meanwhile, the Uganda Law Reform Commission, which also presented its thoughts to the Legal Committee, embraced the bill, saying it has far-reaching advantages, but pointed out the need to use the agreed guidelines on public demonstrations as a foundation for the proposed law.
This bill is about participatory democracy, how to ensure that in respect of demonstrations and processions, government, the security officers, the organizers, and members of the public are all responsible for security.
If the police is to help you, you should also help police to help you. So if there is anything to do with the breach of public order, public peace, you cannot say me cannot play a role since it is the police work.
Michael Baleke, NTV.